Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I'm going to dive right into the charts today. Also want to talk to you guys about a couple things. I'm waiting on a pre-launch right now. Literally, I got a coin that I'm waiting on to launch at 420. That's the time when Shroom is supposed to launch. So that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm basically doing this little video, I guess it's like a countdown to that video, but I'm also going to cover a lot of other cryptocurrencies. I know that I talked about Munch, and since I did, that coin has went up a whole bunch, but I did decide that I wanted to sell. I sold at like 2.6 mil, and I bought in at like, I think 1.5. That was the price of the video. And this is a coin that I found on Dextools, but it was looking a lot better than it's looking right now. The reason why I sold is because it touched this bottom Bollinger Band, and I was just like, kind of sketch. And there's just not a lot of volume in the market right now, so I'd rather have my money in pre-launch. And that was just my goal of this. I just wanted to take like $50 and try to make some decent gains with it, and then move that money into this little pre-launch. And I'm actually looking for 3 pre-launches today, but the first one is supposed to happen again at 4:20 at Eastern Standard Time. It's only 12:30 here, but on the East Coast it's 3:34. So no sound. Yeah, I have no sound. Can you guys not hear me? Let me know in the comments below if you guys cannot hear me. I need to know that for sure. Maybe turn up your volume, bro. I don't know about that. Anyway, let me know. I don't want to just be talking. I can hear you. Okay, I thought so. I'm like, I'm wearing headphones, so you should be able to hear me. But check your mute button or your phone setting. I don't know. But anyway, I sold out a Munch, and I'm trying to get a better position. 3 coins that are launching today that I'm looking at is one is T-Rex. I'm looking at Shroom for sure, and I'm looking at, oh my gosh, what is the last one? I'm gonna remember it. I forgot it. I said it in the last video, but okay. So I was going live earlier also, and my phone died. So if you guys are on my live stream earlier, I'm sorry, my phone had died. If you're your first time tapping in though, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. You'll get to know every time that I go live, and I'm gonna start doing these lives a lot more often. I think that that I'm gonna start going live every Tuesday and Thursday, and just talking about the top meme coins, man, because this Solana blockchain is going crazy. But right now, I have all my money in stablecoin, so I'm waiting in stablecoin because I do think that Bitcoin is still looking kind of nasty. I think the market's gonna bleed. I think Solana is even gonna bleed today, and I just don't want to have like a lot of money in Solana because it could go down a lot before this trade. But again, I'm excited for these trades just because these are highly anticipated. A lot of people are talking about these coins that are launching today, and I'm excited. I'm excited. So yeah, let's see what else is kind of trending right now. Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin looking at? I don't even have a Bitcoin chart up. I'm tripping. Oh, also, guys, if you do not have the 2 new tools that I told you guys about in the last live stream, 2 websites that are like Dextools that are really good to find meme coins. One is dexscreener.com, and the other one is birdeye.so. Those are 2 really good platforms that are just like Dex tools that you can use to find these trending meme coins. And there's a lot of trending meme coins right now, guys, especially on the Solana blockchain. If you're sleeping on Solana right now, you just sleep. I think I did a transaction today. It cost me like 50 cents. So I like the fact that I could really swing in and out of these Solana coins, and I could turn like $5 right now into like some crazy money. Like you turn $5 into $500 in like a day, 2 days, being in a good coin. Like think about it. Like you just go and you just get in. You buy a couple coins that are under 15,000 market cap. You just put like $5, $10 in, and oh snap! I'm getting a notification. Okay, sorry. I was just making sure that was my brother messaging me. He's the one who's keeping me up to date on this launch. And a lot of people are talking about this launch. Shib Army commented, I saw on Trippy Labs. So I'm excited. Trippy Labs is pretty big. They're big in the NFT space. And one thing I know about these NFT guys is that they don't know this crypto stuff like I know this crypto stuff. These boys are gonna get wrecked in this trade. I'm ready for this. You guys know what time it is. You already know. These boys do not know when to sell. So I'm ready. I'm ready to take some chips today. But I do think that this coin's gonna have some serious upside. So I'm pretty excited about it. And again, I don't want to get too into this coin because I always try to diversify, right? I'm waiting on also two other coins that I'm interested in. And then yeah, I just got this little small bag, which I always tell you guys, you don't need a lot of money to make a lot of money. And literally, I trade with the same size. I'll trade with a $50 bag any day, bro. Any day, bro. Especially when you see things going up like 100,000%. Like I'll put 10 on it. I'll put 10 on a coin that I get at 15,000 market cap. I'll put 10 on like five or six of them just to see what takes off, you know, and just hold it and just sit on it. Because you never know. You only need one coin and it'll change your whole life, bro. And it could be any coin. Like, that's the thing. With cryptocurrency, anything could happen. And that's one thing also that I'm learning more, even though I already knew that. I feel like I was talking to my brother even today, like the game is so changed. And I was telling him, like, yeah, the game has changed a lot, but also like there's never been a better time. Like last season was amazing, right? There was coins we saw making 100, 200% gains. That was crazy, but we never had coins that went from 0 to a billion market cap the way that we've seen in just the past 48 hours with some of these coins like Book of Meme, like also Slur or whatever that coin was called. What was it called? Oh, Slurf. This coin literally, guys, is shot all the way up to like almost $1 billion, and it's still sitting at over $500,000, and it just launched. So, this is the type of stuff that like I don't think we ever saw. We didn't see any of this type of stuff happening on the Ethereum blockchain, and I feel like maybe that's because transaction fees were so high that we didn't have as many players, but we did have that with Binance Smart Chain, right? We had like the Binance Smart Chain was blowing up. I remember when the Binance Smart Chain launched. Does anybody let me remember when the Binance Smart Chain launched? Let me know in the comments below if you guys remember the hype behind the Binance Smart Chain. But now what happened to the Binance Smart Chain? Nobody trades on that thing. I mean, if you're still trading on Binance, guys, not a good idea. I just don't recommend. And all the volumes on Solana right now, to be honest with you guys. Last season, BNB or yeah, right. A lot of people were making a lot of money, but also one thing that I noticed with the Binance Smart Chain that I really didn't like was just how volatile it was. Like, I felt like it was so volatile, and I feel like these Solana projects they should be equally as volatile, right? Because there's no transaction fee, basically, just like Binance. Like the transaction fee is like not even noticeable, 50, 60 cents, something like that. But it just seems like there's so many people aping into the Solana blockchain right now that and I feel like there's a lot less rugs, right? Binance Smart Chain it was crazy. It was a time of a lot less regulation, and people were really out here scamming. But hey, there's people still that are out here that are launching scams every day. That's why we want to be careful. That's why we want to check audits. If you guys did work in on the last stream, I actually moved the whiteboard, but I had the whiteboard and everything, and I was telling you guys, I was really breaking down like the important steps of getting into these coins. And the first thing that you want to do is always check an audit, guys. I will tell you guys that till I'm blue in the face. Check the audit, and y'all still will sometimes buy into a coin, not check the audit, not check the fact that you want to make sure that the contract that you're getting is the correct contract, not checking the socials, not being up on the community. You guys want to get on the habit of doing those things because then you're going to be in the know. Then you're going to know about the exchange listings and stuff like that. You don't have to rely on this other guy who sits and talks about the news, but he's just really using Chat GPT to make his scripts and stuff. Like, don't depend on that guy, dude. Just learn how to trade, learn how to identify trends, learn critical thinking, and you got to be in the market, guys. You got to see what's pumping, right? Like when Pepe pumps, like some of these other coins pump that kind of like play off of like the Pepe coin, or at least like the art style that has, or like when these presidential coins are pumping, right? Like Bowden's up today, like it's trending. Like maybe we might see some more of these election coins popping up in our hot pairs today, and it might be where some of this volume's going, right? Because there's not a ton of volume in the market right now, right? A lot of the stuff is red. A lot of your portfolios are probably red unless you're just over here swing trading and you're stabled up like your boy Crypto J. who was already stabled up at 71 when I was talking about Bitcoin being overbought. I was looking for these opportunities. I'm waiting for these opportunities. So I feel like today could be a big day. Maybe today's a day where I can turn a little bit of money into a lot of money. But yeah, what coin? What coin? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what I'm talking about. Now I gotta get back on the subject. I don't know. But yeah, let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Actually, I want to check out Bitcoin because I should have this Bitcoin chart open at all times, and I just don't. Bitcoin, yeah, coming in at 64. It looked like we had a little bit of a fake out, right? We've seen a lot of volume just in the past maybe hour, just coming from Bitcoin alone, right? When Bitcoin pumps, the rest of the market's gonna pump. It's gonna make Solana pump. So I'm sure Solana saw a small pump with a lot of people thinking, oh, possible bottom, maybe good time for me to stock up on my Solana coins and start trading poo coins. But I'm trading all through this, boys. I'm trading all through this. I rely on fundamentals. That's what I was telling my brother today. Also, I'm like, you know what? I'm at a level with my trading that I don't need to be in all the spaces. I could use critical thinking. I could identify trends. I could tell just using data and information, but I'm built different. Y'all know I'm built different. So, what's the name of the coin? 430. I don't. 4:30. I don't know. I have no idea. I have to literally. I don't even know how long I've been doing this. 11 minutes. I don't know. You just got to stay with her. You just got to rewind, I guess. I don't know. I'm really getting used to doing these live streams. I like when you guys engage. Yeah. Oh, it's probably Shroom. Yeah, Shroom's a coin that I'm waiting on this launch. I need to actually be paying attention to what time it is on the East Coast. You type that in. What time is it on the East Coast? Okay, 3:50. I got 30 more minutes, and I'm gonna end this live stream 5 minutes before because I gotta move out of stablecoin, buy that Solana because all right, I just don't want to have my money in the market right now. I just feel like it's funky to just have my money in Solana and it's sketchy. But yeah, a lot of people they don't even get into poo coins, man, and they don't know what the heck's going on right now. They're just getting obliterated. But not me, boys. Not me. I got my sword, my shield, and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to get in this trade with these NFT guys and show them what meme coins is all about. And that's all about not being greedy, taking profit along the way, and being a smart trader. Right? There's a lot of not smart traders in the market right now, and if you take the time to get good at trading, then you could really capitalize off of your knowledge and off of your growth. And that's why I tell you guys to always be investing in yourself. The best investment you can make in cryptocurrency is investing in your education and learning trends and learning how to trade. It's great to be up on the news. It's awesome to watch how we talk about, SHIB burn and all this stuff. That's awesome. But it's also great to know the chart because when you know the chart, you could take that knowledge anywhere, take it into Forex, take it into commodities, you could take it into stocks, whatever you want to buy, and you could know you have that knowledge. It's like knowing how to read, it's like knowing how to ride a bike. You just know how to do it. I can look at these charts and I don't need to pull up indicators and all this stuff. I do pull up indicators when I'm swing trading. Like right now I'm swing trading. So I have my indicators open, right? Because I'm not long on any of these projects and I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just using, again, trade indicators. Have ideas of my stop loss. If this thing maybe goes too far below the Bollinger Band based off of how long it's been under the Bollinger Band in the past, maybe that might be like, okay, maybe I might want to sell if it touches this bottom Kettner channel. Do you think we should sell our Solana? No, I don't think you should sell your Solana. If you're in Solana already, I don't think that you should sell Solana. I think that you should use that Solana. You should use that Solana and buy some poo coins. That's what I think. So, yeah, that's what I think. I mean, I'm not heavy in Solana because again, I was telling you guys to stable up. I was making videos telling you guys like Bitcoin was overbought. I was making video after video saying Bitcoin was overbought. I stabled up, but I do keep a small bag again for this little meme market because when you trade it right, it's not an anxiety attack, guys. It's not, and that's why I tell you guys don't over leverage into trades. You don't need to do that. My brother keeps texting me. I gotta be up on what's going on with this pre-launch. I can't get too distracted, boys. What's up, Miss Warshame? Warsame. Warsame. Nice. Yeah. Let's see what else is going on. Book of Meme. Also, possibly seeing some signs of life. We'll see. I don't know. This thing is still at a 800. That's what I'm saying. This thing is at 850 million market cap, and it's launched literally just a couple days ago. That's insane. That's not anything that we were seeing the likes of the last bull rally. This is meme season, guys. This is meme season, and there's more money. And every year, there's going to be more and more money in these meme coins, guys, because there's going to be brand new people. There's going to be a lot of unskilled traders. There's going to be a lot of uh, institutions getting involved. There's going to be a lot more people getting involved. That's why it's such an exciting time to be involved in meme coins. More importantly, it's such an exciting time to be involved in this channel because, guys, we've been doing this for years, like years. Probably one of the first meme coin channels on YouTube. Some people would argue that I was on top of everything before anybody. Anybody! But who's keeping track of the score? Me. That too. Just kidding. Anyway, talk about also some of these other coins too. Like maybe if Pepe does well, let's look at Pepe, right? I haven't looked at Pepe. It's probably correlating with the market pretty one to one. Yeah, it looks like it. Some of these, see, that's the thing. Once a coin gets so big in market cap and there's so many holders, it just tends to move with the market. It just moves with the market. It's not as volatile as some of these other smaller market cap meme coins that I like to trade on a not a daily basis. You don't need to trade also on a daily basis. Just find good entry points that you like with projects that you like. And just if you feel it at the moment, take it. Don't sit and wait and be like, oh, all this setup looks right, but I just don't want to pull the trigger because I don't know. Like, no, if you're have been locked in, if you have been doing the work, if you've been creating the skill, then trust your instinct because it's telling you that this is a good buy opportunity. And I know a lot of you guys, I hope, I would think that a lot of you guys are starting to develop this in your mind based off of being in this market for long enough to the point where you're just like, I can trust myself. Like some of you guys are too greedy, but also some of you guys do not trust yourself. And trusting yourself comes from knowing knowing the market and feeling comfortable with the position, and also just not over leveraging. I can't express that enough. How important it is to not over leverage, because a lot of people will over leverage during the season. They will get absolutely wrecked. Right? We all want to make life changing money, which is great. It's awesome to make life changing money, but this there's a way to do it that is conservative where you can grow your portfolio in cryptocurrency, and there's a way to do it where you can just absolutely get wrecked. And I don't recommend that you over leverage into trades, because you can get wrecked very bad very fast. Things move very fast on these charts, and you have to understand that when you enter a trade, you're entering a trade like on this channel, guys, we're all friends. In a trade, I'm in this trade, you're in this trade. We're not on a team. Somebody might make money, somebody might lose money. You trying to take my money, and I'm trying to take a piece of your money. So that's how trading is. And you have to understand that you're in a trade also with bots, and you're in a trade with very skilled traders, people that have been trading in this arena for longer than you, people with bigger bags than you. There's whales in this trade, and you ain't one of them. I ain't one of them. I respect that. You got to respect the market. You have to have respect for what's going on, because if you don't, you're going to be buying bad entry points, buying in on the tops of projects, FOMOing into projects. And these are things that, guys, everybody's guilty of. Things that I've been guilty of. Things that you learn from being in trading for long enough. Like you just learn, okay, I got to be in control of my emotions. I have to look for good entry points and not be FOMOing into projects. There's no the so the pre-launch is already capped. I was not in on the pre-launch. I am waiting on the launch of this token also. The pre-launch sold out in like 3 hours, $3.8 million. And again, a lot of people talking about that Shroom coin. So I'm gonna be cutting this live off in 15 minutes, but I want you guys to get a lot of value out of what I'm talking about. And if you're watching this market like I'm watching this market, like if you got open Dextools right now, like you should have open Dextools right now. I got open Dextools right now, but also I got open DexScreener.com and I got open Bird Eye because I might catch whiff of a good coin on one of these other platforms too that's not yet trending on Dextools. Even though Dextools does have real-time data and the things that are trending on the blockchain tend to pop up on Dextools, I was also able to find Kermit on Bird Eye. I didn't buy Kermit, but it shot up 450,000% in one day, and I didn't buy it. But again, I could have bought the dip on it because I literally saw it. I was looking at it last night because last night actually a lot of these coins were supposed to be released. The what's it called? Shroom coin was supposed to be released last night, but I guess for whatever reason, I guess Raydium has been having problems with adding liquidity. So the contract has been added, but the liquidity hasn't been added. They haven't added the LP yet. So when the liquidity is added, then you'll be able to buy tokens. So people are like, can I buy the token? You can't buy the token until the liquidity is actually on the exchange. That's how it works. But I'm waiting for 420. That's when it's supposed to launch. If this coin does not launch at 420, I'm gonna be upset. I feel like a lot of people in the community will be upset, but I feel like also they're just kind of trying to drag this on to get more traction on Twitter because every post that they get is getting more and more engagement. Like they're literally like, if you guys go look at Trippy Labs, I'll put some kind of link in the description or something. Which platform are you using to buy shrooms? Raydium, guys. Raydium is the Uniswap of Solana. It is the DEX that is the biggest, that is the most used DEX on the Solana blockchain. That's the one that I use. You can also use Dextools, but like I said, I don't like to connect my wallet to any and everything. One thing that I did recommend doing is creating a smaller wallet and funding it. Raydium's so slow for you. Raydium's been running slow for the past 2 days, brother. It's a lot of people on the network right now. But what coin are you talking about? I'm just checking in. We're talking about Shroom coin right now. You're driving, bro. Don't be texting and driving, dude. No, you can't send me money, bro. I'm not gonna send you money to help your portfolio, dude. I don't do that, guys. I don't do that, boys. I just talk about trends and I just help you guys trade, and it's just free information. So, again, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not nobody that is going to be helping you manage money. I am in the trade again. We are best friends on this channel, but when you're in a trade and I'm in a trade, you're trying to take a little piece of my money and I'm trying to take a little piece of your money. So, you have to be accountable for yourself in trading. And the sooner you gain accountability, also, guys, it's going to help you out a lot because trading is psychological. You have to be able to take ownership of your portfolio. You have to own your mistakes. You have to admit when you were greedy. You have to admit when you were impatient. And you have to be real with yourself so that you can grow from that. And see, a lot of the time, what happens is when markets correct, people get sour, they get turned off to the market, they don't spend time investing in their education to actually learn about a market cycle. And then once the market decides to pick up again, they're bitter and they're coming back. But they come back. They come back just to talk trash to me, right? About meme coins and stuff. And I'm like, dude, I told you stop marrying these meme coins, brother. I'll say it. Maybe I'll just have to start saying it more. But guys, stop getting married to meme coins. I don't want to hear about a meme coin from 2020. I just don't. Like 2020, Solana was not popular. We don't have things going on like we have going on right now. And if you're looking backwards the whole time, you ain't gonna be up on these trends, bro. You're just gonna be looking at some bags from like years ago of some poo coin that you're waiting to go somewhere. Like, some of you guys made a lot of money in some coins and just never took profit. And even though I told you guys all the time, be taking profit, be taking profit, be taking profit, especially in times of Bitcoin consolidation. Right now, again, I'm swing trading, guys. You're watching me swing trade. I'm literally I'm I'm on the freaking 30-minute chart. I'm in and out of these trades very fast, like within hours. Like a couple of these plays, I'm looking at for like the long term. I'm looking at the 4 hour chart. If I'm bullish on the 4 hour chart, guess what that means? That means I'm gonna sit my butt right here until the 4 hour chart plays out, which means I'm gonna sit my butt in this chair for 4 hours, which is just basically what I'm gonna be doing. Like, any gems? Yeah, plenty gems, bro. All day, every day, all day, every day. People are getting rich in cryptocurrency, even on this Bitcoin consolidation. There's millionaires being born, brother. You gotta believe it. The gems are out there. It's just a matter of like getting. It's gambling, bro. This is like risky business right here. Like when you're investing in these super small market cap coins, um, it's yeah, very risky business. Where can we get all three coins that are launching today? You can get them on Raydium. Again, Raydium. I don't have any relation to Raydium. They're not paying me to make this video. It's just the decks that I use that a lot of people use. Always do your own research. Always. What symbol is Streamcoin? Be careful, guys. Streamcoin is not released yet. Again, it's going to be released at 420, and the Twitter for them is Trippy Labs. So you gotta, if you want to get that info, you know the best thing you can do. You should follow me on my IG, follow my Instagram at JTalksCrypto, because I literally posted screenshots of their Twitter, and you could go in there and you could get that, and you could follow me if you're not following me by now. You guys should hit that follow button because I'm giving you guys a lot of knowledge for free every day that deserves at least you to click on the follow button or that subscribe button or even that like button, because guess what, guys, it all helps me out. Just like I'm investing my time, it helps me out when you guys do that. So I appreciate you guys. But also, what else is popping right now? G Top. So I heard my brother was telling me that Andrew Tate commented about this coin actually, but it looks like it's already seen its pump. So I don't know. It's at a 2 million market cap. It's trending today. Maybe if Bitcoin can pick up in Steam, then people will start buying Sol and they'll take notice to things like this, right? Sometimes you can get lucky like that. Like Bitcoin will kick up some steam and then your coin will start kicking up. And the fact that they're trending on this little hot pairs might keep them trending a little bit longer and you can make a little bit more loot. So maybe that might be something that if it could stay trending long enough might pick up in volume with Bitcoin. It's kind of interesting that some of these coins are really down, but they're still trending. Like, why? I don't understand. But again, I've talked about a couple coins that have been trending now for a couple days, which is good. That's what you want, guys. You want to be able to learn how to spot trends on Dextools to the point where you're able to pretty much be up on the top coins and know what's going to be the next trending hot pairs. Like week after week, I think I have at least 3 or 4 coins that I talk about that stay trending in the hot pairs. And in my opinion, that means means that I'm at least identifying trends good. At least I'm identifying trends good, um, which is positive, right? And sometimes you don't have to be in a trade to just be watching it, right? And sometimes you shouldn't be in a trade if you're watching it, right? You should be looking for a better position. So sometimes I'll add some of these coins that I think look pretty good to my favorites list, so I can go check them out and look at them and keep track of these charts, because I always, again, I'm sitting in this chair 4 hours a day anyway. I might as well have 10 charts in front of me instead of one. So again, I'm always looking at the market, and that's what you got to do, guys. You got to use the multi-chart. Multi-chart was a game changer for me, and multi-chart is a brand new function with Dextools, but it's actually also they have a multi-chart on dexscreener.com. So I like that too. This interface is just not as crisp to me. Maybe it's easier on the phone or whatever, or maybe they even have an app that is more user friendly. But I mean, I'm able to navigate, but it just seems like it's more optimized for like a mobile. So I don't know. And then also Bird Eye, I'm still learning how to navigate this website. But so like yesterday, I was able to find the tickers. Maybe the ticker just goes, oh yeah. So the ticker goes whenever you click on a coin on this website. Then you could see the ticker at the top, and it'll tell you like the top 10 coins on this one. And that's how I was able to find Kermit. And again, Kermit went up 450,000%. And of course, it was the one that I didn't buy. I bought a Munch coin, but Munch coin still went up. I got it at 1.5, and it went up all the way to 3 million. So I was able to lock in some good gains off that. I can't complain when you're in the green, right? But you know, you could still make a lot of money. Pi's been around for a minute. What's up with that narrative? You know, I've been up on Pi for a minute too, dude. For years, that thing's been around, right? Mining cryptocurrency on your phone. I've had a lot of people actually reach out to me and ask me about it just as of recent, just as of like this bull cycle. But I haven't been up on it to be out to tell you the truth. I haven't been up on any mining really. I got the helium miner still from the last bull cycle, but I have like literally 12 helium miners at my house still. They're making me no money. They were, I think that the most the most that they were making me at one point, like I had one that was making me like $108 a day, and that was like super good. And then that thing, once the network got bigger and they had their halving and all that, you know, like the rewards just went so down, bro. I'd be lucky to make like $1 off of it a day, and if that, like some days, some some months, I feel like even some of my miners were just making no gains after a while. So I don't know. I'm not mining any crypto right now. I'm saying that to say I guess I'm not mining any crypto right now. But you could see the miners actually set up right over here. I don't want to move too far because I got the corded headphones, but knock down the phone. But yeah, miners over there. It's doing something. It's making me a couple pennies. But I don't know. Maybe I'll convert those pennies into Solana. Put them in a PooCoin. That's the plan, boys. That's the plan. You've been mining Pi for a few years. Hopefully it releases soon. Yeah, I feel that. A lot of people have been up on Pi. Again, it's been around for years. It's been around for years, but I'm not up on it. I don't want to. I don't want to give you guys no false narrative or nothing like that. Because again, I just know about it because I've been in the space for years, but I don't know about the new developments and what's going on with that coin. I just really don't. I've been playing with these poo coins, man, because again, these Solana pairs, in my opinion, this is where my attention is at right now. I'm not so much looking at the mining stuff. There's mining, great mining channels. Voscoin has a great mining channel. I always also advise that you guys go out and get information from other people. Like you don't have to just come to me. I mean, come to me because I do it like nobody does it. Like, but also like go look for information. Don't just look for news. Look for information though. Like if you do want to learn about mining, if you want to get into mining, find channels that talk about minings and stuff like that. My channel is not so much that right now. Maybe if mining takes off again or if like helium takes off again, so I have all these miners, I might start talking a little bit about mining. But not really mining much right now. The pooiest of the poo coins, dude, they're all poo coins, bro. They're all poo coins, boys. We only date these coins. We don't marry these coins, guys. We don't marry these coins. These coins are gonna break your heart, dude. If you marry these coins, they're gonna break your heart, dude. We just date them. We don't marry them. But yeah, those are kind of the coins that I'm looking at right now. It's actually 11:11, and this launches in 9 minutes. I'm cutting the video here, guys. I gotta get in on this. If you guys got anything out of this video, again, hit that like button and comment on the video, guys. Like once the live stream stops, you still gotta go comment on the video to support. That's like really, it's greatly appreciated. So once this live stream ends, guys, make sure you show some support. Let me know that you guys are watching today and that you like this type of stuff. I'm going to keep coming at you guys every Tuesday and Thursday with these live streams. I had to do a second live stream today because, again, my phone died and I don't want my phone to die again. But, yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. What's releasing in 9 minutes? Shroom. That's what I'm going to be getting in on. It's not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Do with that what you will. It's your money. And yeah, catch you next video. Peace.